Hey, so I wanted to just post a quick video with regards to a tool that I'm using called EvyAI. It is a great way to leverage AI in an authentic way with your network. And the reason why I say that is that a lot of people, whenever you look at 99% of the things that you see created by AI online, what it creates is something that doesn't seem human. It seems like something odd, edited it or set it up or whatever. And so that sort of uncanny valley feeling that all of us get about messages that just aren't worded properly, or they're not in the right tone and all that kind of stuff. EvyAI has a way of dealing with each and every one of those things. And I really have enjoyed sort of getting to know how to use this tool. And I've been spending a lot of time in each one of the elements, and I'll create additional videos about each one of those elements that you sort of walk through. But I just wanted to sort of show you, like, so there are, you kind of see repeat messages here, but, you know, there's somebody's birthday that I just responded to recently. Here it talks about, digital insights on leveraging marketing strategies are incredibly relevant. So, there's different responses that I've sent to different people recently, and I feel like this is one tool that I've not had to touch, repeatedly to get it to not, seem, just inauthentic. And so I wanted to share it with people because I know a lot of you watch, sort of what I do on LinkedIn and things like that. But EvyAI has been, just a real game changer for me. And I'll tell you the number one reason why I think it's helpful. And it's this personas sort of area that sort of started the game for me. So you buy the tool, you get the subscription or whatever. You can save profiles. I'm currently going through and doing this right now. And so I'm saving several different profiles. I'll post a video just about how to save profiles and what I think the real power tool is behind this. There's a post writer. So I don't normally use these types of tools for post writers or idea generators. I have my own tools that I use around that. And so I'm sure this works fine, just not something that I regularly use. And so, for those of you who find that helpful, I would leave that to other people to engage in. Templates, so message templates are something else that's a game changer. And then there's a profile optimizer. So for those of you who have an about section that's out of date, hopefully you can use the profile optimizer to help you. Personas, though, so this is where I think everybody should start. To me, I more or less have two personas that I normally respond in. I just say, look, it's professional, sort of network, and so I respond oftentimes in, want the AI to have my business in mind. And then there are other times whenever I'm more or less trying to persuade somebody based on the comment that I'm making. And so I want the response or whatever to be more persuasive overall. Like I said, I'm not using this for posting. If I were using it for posting, I'd probably have my overall thoughts in terms of the modern customer journey in here. So the modern customer journey, for those of you who don't know, really focuses in on people that start out really just problem unaware. They move to problem aware, then from problem aware to solution unaware, then solution aware, and then finally we get the opportunity to make an offering to them. And so I probably would go through, if I were creating posts using this tool, I would create a persona based on each one of those and tell the AI specifically, this is who you're posting to, and this is, how you should think about things. In this case, so I'll open up this one just so you can get a sense of what a persona is. So my industry is digital marketing. It says the tone is professional. The keywords and phrases are stop wasting time. And so in here, I kind of talk about me, right? So what is my name? What is my industry? Digital marketing and PR. My title is CEO and founder. I'm also a process improvement consultant. So this is one of the reasons why a lot of these tools are important to me because they increase my efficiency, and I hope that they will for other people. My company is D3 Digital Media. Keywords that the AI should think about is digital marketing, SEO, B2B marketing, social media, email marketing, and PR. And then it kind of goes through my professional interests. It talks a little bit about some of my skills, goes through my communication style. I'm always friendly, conversational, and authentic is the way I want it to be. I want the tone to be professional, but also witty and funny as well. And then lastly, my preferred phrases are stop wasting money on ineffective digital marketing, transform your digital presence, expand your reach. Those are things that I normally, focus in on. Taboos would be politics, religion, gossip, pseudoscience. My personal interests are copywriting, photography, and video. And then last, my hobbies are photography, video, and hiking. And so the AI leaving this knows me and can talk about things from my perspective. And I've had conversations with some of you about this very topic around, hey, look, I put into, whatever tool, this thing, and I get back a bunch of stuff that doesn't really make sense to me. These are instructions that are going to inform the AI on how to write in my voice and how to not, seem inauthentic from me. So if you're getting responses from me, I can 100% guarantee you that if it's coming through on LinkedIn today, it is being passed through this tool first, because I'm more or less just like everybody else. I have a lot to get done in a day, and I'm trying to figure out how to do all the things. And so with that, I'm sort of, flipping from, trying to get my posts and answers and everything else done as quickly as possible. And so this tool has been a game changer for me. I hope that this video helps. Like I said, I'm going to have a couple other videos right behind this one. But this thing around EvyAI and its ability to use personas is a real game changer. Also, Joe Affelbaum is the CEO of the company. He's doing, I think he said the other day, he said he's doing 100 live events this year. And he's the most authentic connector that I've seen. So somebody that, obviously just pouring out to people as well. And I just, really applaud his efforts and what he's done with this tool. And for people that, need like a CRM and other things, he's got other tools that he's offering as well to his premium subscribers, also for EvyAI. What I would ask that if this video has been beneficial to you at the very end here, I have an affiliate code at the bottom. It just sort of contributes a little bit back to me as you go to buy EvyAI, if that's what you decide to do. But I definitely, really appreciate the tool, and that's the only reason why I'm promoting it. Otherwise, I wouldn't be, on here saying, hey, you should go take a look. But this is something I feel like everybody in my network should be taking a look at EvyAI and leveraging its abilities if you're looking for something to help you with efficiency on posting on LinkedIn. Thanks.